At a time when COVID-19 outbreak has threatened the existence of human species, there are some fighters who are helping stopping the transmission of this deadly virus. Besides the doctors, there are some innovators who are innovating the things to stop the transmission. We are talking about a special tap developed by a Mohali-based innovators, Jal Bath Fittings. This special tap not only saves the water but also stop transmission of COVID-19 because this is a foot operated tap. To do the demo, I am here. So this is a foot operated valve. When I'll press it, it will release the water from the faucet. This is how it works. When I stop pressing it, it will stop releasing the water. Normally, in public places, there are taps by touching which we can get the virus infection, be it the railway stations, be it the public places, be it the government offices. Taps have also become a source of transmission. What are the benefits of this foot operated tap? To know more, we have with us B.S. Anand, the director of Jal Bath Fittings. Mr. Anand, can you tell us how this tap will stop the transmission of COVID-19?
Sir, as all the people know, that it is transmitted by touching hands or through somebody. So here it's a touch-free tap. We have just to press it with the foot and the water will come out. Just not a hygienic, it is also water-saving device also. So in the public places, it is very important so that there is no transmission of this COVID through hands. And then in hospitals, even in our kitchens, it is a necessity now. In railways, they have tried, they are going to use it. Now we have got many telephonic inquiries from the different institutions and the public administrations. So last day only, Sangrur DC, they have purchased 4 pieces to trial it. It is a tried and tested product. There is no problem in this. So very scientific and very well hygienic and water-saving device.
So what is the availability of this device, sir, and how much it will cost?
Sir, we have a network all over India for our dealers. It is only due to this lockdown that the shops are not open. Otherwise, it is available with our dealers all over India. So the approximate cost is about rupees 2,000.
Rupees 2,000.
It's a brass chrome plated, and it's a 10-year warranty is there.
So this is how this foot operated tap will not only save the water but also the transmission of COVID-19, which besides the public toilets, public taps, ATM machines and other devices gets transmitted from person to person. So this innovation is going to help the mankind and will spread the transmission further. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Mohali for India Today.
For more information, please contact Jal Bath Fittings.